So why remodel your bathroom?
A lot of different reasons. The bathroom is the most commonly used room in the home. Everybody starts their day with it, ends their day with it. Multiple people are using it all day long. You want it to be the bathroom that you love.
And I have to imagine that remodeling your bathroom would increase the value of your home.
It does two things. It not only increases the value of the home, it makes it sell much faster. Three things that you actually need to sell a home would be a good roof, a good heating system, and a good working bathroom. And when people take the last pennies out of their pocket to go to closing, they don't want to have to think about doing any project within the next 2 or 3 years. So a bathroom is really important to help sell a home.
And during a bathroom remodel, is there one part that people typically focus on? Do they do all of it at once? What is the process?
So we could go either way. Based on budget, we could do just the wet space, and that's done in one day. And then the second day, we could do the dry space, but we could do it as two separate projects as well. We could do the wet space one year and the dry space the next, again, all based on budget.
The first consultation, does someone give you a call and tell you what their needs are, and then you kind of go from there? Do you do a site visit?
So it starts out with a phone call always, and we set the appointment, and we send a trained bath consultant out to the home, and he's going to listen to your needs and your wants, and then take measurements and make some suggestions in the bathroom, and then give you a price right on the premises.
What do you think sets Total Bath Systems apart from the rest?
The amount of time that we're in business, the way that we care about each and every customer, still locally owned, not like many companies, still locally owned, and actually care about our clients.
What time of year would you say is the best time for a bathroom remodel?
Actually right now, because most people are thinking about exterior projects, decks and that, or summer vacations, and their mind's not really on interior this time of year.
Is there a deal going on right now for bathroom remodels?
So yeah, there is. It's $1,400 off a wet space, and we could actually give an extra 5% because it is off season. So really, it's just have an idea of what your needs are when the consultant there. Is it accessibility? Do you need help getting in and out of the shower? Do you enjoy bathing? Maybe a deep soak tub that could be jetted and heated that you could sit in and soak. So it's all based on your needs. Think a little bit about what you want. Maybe visit our website and see what's going on, and make a list. When we get to the home, we have many different styles, designs, and colors that they can actually choose, and we can put it on a visualizer so they can see it right on an iPad. All the designs would be to the customer's taste.
That's gotta be nice too, because they can they're really getting a visual instead of being in a store and kind of guessing what it might look like.
Yeah, it's fantastic, and we actually return to the bathroom after we finish designing it with the design right on the iPad, and they can look at what they have now and what they're going to see when it's completed.